Welcome back guys, my name is Pawan Jaiswal. Today in this video we like to get to know a little bit about OOP concepts with Java. So let's get started with that. We all know that Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is not a pure object-oriented programming language. Reason: Java do have 8 primitive types which is still there for regular usage. And because of these 8 primitive types, Java is not known to be a pure object-oriented programming language. Besides that, Java do follows the object-oriented programming concepts the way other programming languages follows, like C++, PHP, etc. Here, today, we'd like to get to know about 4 important pillars of object-oriented programming paradigm. Number 1, abstraction. Number 2, polymorphism. Number 3, encapsulation. Number 4, inheritance. So, what do you mean by abstraction? As name suggests, we are very much interested to hide complex details and we wanted to get the things at very high level. So here we hide complex details. We don't want to get into unnecessary complex things which are behind the scene. We are very much interested to get to know only the things which we like to have. For example, TV remote. We are not really bothered how things are working internally. What we are interested in is just to operate with some channels or on-off button or volume. Well, Java do provides us abstraction with the help of abstract classes and interfaces. Interface is there in Java in order to provide multiple inheritance facilities, which will not be possible in Java with the classes. So interfaces have been introduced for that purpose. In some other video, we'll get to know the significance and usage of interfaces. Next is polymorphism. Polymorphism is having multiple forms of one thing. Having multiple forms of the same thing. There could be situations in your programming career that you wanted to do different things by one function. So rather than having different functions all together for these different functionalities, can we think of something which will help us to have just by one function and even though having for multiple different behavior? Well, that is really possible in Java. So in Java we achieve polymorphism by function overloading, which we'll call as an static binding or early binding, also function overloading. And we do have function overriding in Java, which means binding the things at runtime. So polymorphism is being achieved using function overloading and function overriding in Java. Then we have an encapsulation. Encapsulation means wrapping up the things into one container. The best example of encapsulation is, say, a medicine, a capsule, where it is a combination of so many things. In Java, we encapsulate data and code all together, and that we encapsulate into a Java class. So Java class is the best example of encapsulation feature or encapsulation pillar of OOP paradigm. Then we have got inheritance. As name suggests, it is like acquiring the properties of one class into another class. This is the most strong feature of OOP. Reason, it helps us to get code reusability. You really have to have less efforts for writing the code, and many more features are there. In Java, we achieve inheritance in different categories. Like we have got single level inheritance, we have got multi-level inheritance, and so many other forms. So these are the four important pillars of object-oriented programming language, which is being even supported by Java. All of these concepts we'll see in details with their respective videos in upcoming sessions. Hope you understood these basic concepts and you like this video. Thank you very much.